Hello everyone, in this lesson, let's have a closer look at the pivot tables. In previous lesson, we learned how to generate a pivot table from raw data. In this lesson, we will have a closer look at the pivot table and explain different properties of the pivot table. So basically, first, we can see that all the fruits are appearing as the rows of the pivot table because we have the fruits field inside the rows box. And the regions appear as the columns of the pivot table because we have the region field inside the column box. And it's also important to notice that we have the grand total column automatically generated for us, which totals the total amount of sales we have across all the regions. And we also have this grand total row here, which totals the amount of sales for each region. So this table in sheet 2 is very valuable in data analysis because this table reports the fruits that are sold in the geographical location where they are grown, and it also enables you to see exactly how much of each fruit is sold in every location. And there are different things we can do with this pivot table. We can have the regions appear as rows and make the fruits appear as the columns of the pivot table. So this is one of the powers of pivot table, which is that it is very flexible. You can play around with it. So let's try that out. And it's very simple to flip the column and rows. We just simply drag the fruits from the row box into the column box, and we drag the region from column box into the row box. Now, as you can see, we have the regions appearing as the rows of the table, and we have fruits appearing as the columns of the table.